Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Data Structure Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer4. Okay, so the first question is how to take input a string from a user. Okay, so I assume this is the question where we say like how we take an string as an input from a user, right? So we must use getLine function provided in an string, okay, provided by string. So it takes an input as a string from user. Otherwise, if we take input as a C in normal input C in, then it will not take an entire string. So as soon as it hits the space, it will break and it won't take anything after space. So that's why we must use getLine function. Then what is the significance of /0 in character arrays? Okay, so first of all, /0 indicates that the string or a character array has finished. Okay, so like it's an end of a character array, so there are no other elements, so it's uh, it like it tells the character array or a string that this is the end, it's a full stop kind of thing, right? So like and it is very important because for let's say for example my space name space then is and space then name, right? So this is a string, so to determine the difference between space and the end of a string, /0 is very important. Then the third question is what is palindrome and how to find it? Okay, so palindrome is a type of string that is readable. Like if we read it, it should be same from the start or from the end. So let's say for example, uh, ABCBA. Okay, this is a string ABCBA. If we read it from the beginning or from the end, it it, it will be same, right? ABCBA, ABCBA, right? So that's a palindrome that is readable. Like when we read it, it should be same from the if we like from the start or from the end. Okay, uh, then how do we find it? So as I said example like ABCBA, right? It has then 5 characters, right? So what we say is like first of all we take the length of a string, so it would be 5 and we divide it by 2, so it would give me a half point. Right now it's like 2.5, but when we convert it into an integer it gives me 2. So it would tell me that like I need to traverse until 2 because 2 is the middle character, and I need to check that 0th character and the 4th character is equal or not, then the first character and uh, the third character is equal or not, and then we are on the center character, so like that would be in the center anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let's say it has a 6 characters, so the half point would be 3. So 0th element and the 5th element should be equal, then first element and 4th element should be equal, and the second element and uh, the third element should be equal. So if they all those are equal, then we say it's a palindrome. So that is it. Thank you.